What's up guys, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to do a battery charging speed test of Huawei P40 Pro smartphone. It comes with 4200 mAh battery along with Huawei's 40 watt charger. So right now the battery is totally dead. The device is not even switching on, as you can see here. So in this testing we are going to use the official Huawei 40 watt charger, this USB cable that comes in the retail box of the device, and we will use this another smartphone for timing purpose. So let's start our test and let's see how much time it's going to take in reaching from 0% to 100% battery status on Huawei P40 Pro. So supercharging 0%. So as I said, the battery is totally nil. It's 0. So we are going to watch for a while and let's see how much progress we are going to see on this device. So it's 10 minutes now. Let's have a look on the battery status, and it's at 25%. So just in 10 minutes battery percentage moved from 0% to 25%, and here it is showing that it will take nearly 51 minutes more to reach to 100%. So it's 30 minutes now. Let's have a look on the battery status, and it's 65%. So after 30 minutes battery percentage moved from 0 to 65, and it says in nearly 30 minutes it will be 100%. So it's 50 minutes now. Let's have a look on the battery status, and it's at 92%, and it says 11 minutes nearly for reaching 100%. So it's an hour now. Let's have a look on the battery status, and it's at 97%, and here it says that it will take less than 5 minutes to reach 100% now. So it's 1 hour 5 minutes now, and the battery percentage is at 99. And here we go. So 1 hour 8 minutes it took in reaching from 0% to 100%. It's pretty nice performance considering that we got a huge 4200 mAh battery on Huawei P40 Pro. So that's all for now friends. If you enjoyed watching this video, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads, and I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.